Granulating machine with ladder. Add the material. Press heating on, setting power, temperature parameters. Simple and clear panel makes operation easier. After melting is completed, granulation begins, and the molten metal liquid flows into the water tank. After granulating, the load tray lifts automatically. The finished beads have no oxidation, high density and no pores. Especially good spherical surface, uniform particles and stable color. Welcome to contact us.